citizens have the same environmental concerns the folks in Chicago have about transporting crude oil by rail through their communities. Lifting the crude oil export ban means more U.S. oil gets shipped overseas. How all that oil gets to the Gulf is the question. Mr. Patton thinks routing crude oil through LaSalle County's rural communities is a good idea. He says of the Great Lake Basin Rail, this is the legacy for myself and my children. But is this railroad what the citizens of LaSalle County wish to leave to their children and grandchildren? I think no. Thank you.